Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to recreate a popular TikTok dance trends, even if you're a total beginner. So let's get started. First, all you need to do is to find a trending dance. Check for your For You page or search for the hashtags like TikTok dance or dance trend. Then tap the original sound and hit use this sound or save for later. Then here watch the tap videos using the trend, study the moves, and note the transitions. Then use the do it or stitch feature with the original video to practice side by side. Then here record yourself in the sections using TikTok's built-in timer and speed controls. It makes it way easier. Then wear something fun, show your energy, and most importantly, add your personality. That's what makes you stand out. And that's how you recreate a popular TikTok dance trend like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.